Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Windows 11 drivers. So the first thing you want to do is to right click on the Windows icon in your taskbar and click on Settings. Once you're inside Settings, on the left hand side, click on Update Windows or Windows Updates. And you want to go ahead and do a check for updates, right? So as you can see, mine is currently saying restart now because I have had some updates, but you want to do a check for updates. Now, once you check for updates, go ahead and install those updates, and it's going to download and install all of those updates for you. Now, additionally, you want to click on Advanced Options right here. Once you click on this, you will be able to see an option that says Optional Updates. Click on that. Now here you'll be able to find any optional updates such as drivers, etc. From here you can go ahead and download and install those updates, and your computer will be updating those additional driver updates. Now the next thing you want to do is to right click on the Windows icon again, but this time click on Device Manager. Now, once you're inside Device Manager, find the driver that you want to update. That could be your keyboard, your monitor, whatever, your graphics, whatever it is. I'm going to choose, for example, my monitor. I'm going to expand that, and here you can see, for example, monitor drivers. So I'm going to right click on this and click on Update Driver. Now, you want to search automatically for drivers. It's going to search automatically, and if it find any updated driver, it's going to install it for you. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.